Just need a photo KOC and an outfit. You can create a whole series of fashion videos in front of the mirror with AI. Without real shooting, no sample rental, no production team needed. Fashion GPT, POV chatbot, in front of mirror. This is a tool to help you create review content, coordinate and advertise fashion products by AI quickly, simple, and professional. Today, I will show you how to use this chat to create a video series KOC VOV, fashion in front of mirror with AI. First, people visit prompt.auto, then find a chatbot called Chatbot GPT VOV, fashion in front of the next mirror. Take the link on the chatbot and open a new tab. When entering the chatbot interface, you click Start. At this time, the chatbot will introduce the function and ask you to provide a photo KOC or model, a photo outfit or fashion accessory, desired background if any, or you can choose one of the scenes in front of the mirror like minimalist bedroom with full body mirror, work in modern classic, putic, dressing room. After downloading enough photos KOC outfit photos and background selection, you click Send. Chatbots will automatically create for you an AI photo prom, 5 prom videos, Vietnamese dialogue for each video. Next, copy the entire section. Chrome Image AI. Then open the AI imaging tool that you're using. Here you upload it. KOC as the first reference image. Outfit photo or fashion product as next reference picture. Then paste Chrome AI image into the input field.